Hey guys, in this short video I'm going to teach you how you can create your own version of VPN without installing any third-party application. So with this you don't gonna see any ads and also don't have to face any premium option because everything is free. So the first thing, go to your Android. I'm using Realme, and as you can see it's my system Android or system VPN. So go to setting and find connection and setting. Just find VPN. You see I have already a Gecko VPN. This is the application and this is the VPN that I already made. So what I'll do, I just try to delete this, remove this VPN and this gone. Now you have to click on plus icon and put up a name. So the VPN that we're going to create is a Japan server. So say Japan VPN. Go to VPN type and select L2TPIPsec PSK and go to IPsec pre-shared key. Hit VPN small letter VPN. Check it out, it's a VPN now. And under forwarding routes you have to change last 8 to 0. To do that, say 0.0.0.0/0, and that's it. Your VPN connection is now done and you can now use this as your VPN connection. So finally you have to put a server address. To do that, just go to Chrome and search for VPN Gate. It's a desktop website, so you have to a little bit zoom, and this is the Japan address. As you can see, it's open source by the way, and it's free for everybody, and it's also very fast. So just click and copy, come to server address and paste the server address and finally hit enter. And when you connect, it will ask username password. Just say VPN and also in the password VPN. Okay, just save account info and connect. In a matter of seconds you will see that Japan VPN will be got connected, and there we go. You also see the signal of VPN in your status bar here. Now I can browse the web whatever you want. You can see the blocked website is going to be open. This is Japan VPN and your main um, your internet or the address is going to be masked. So thank you for watching this video. See you, apply this, and I will see you in the next video.